Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily create a file upload contact form for your WordPress site. A file upload contact form will allow you to accept anything from resumes, images, video files, project files, and more from your customers each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. Now let's dive in. Starting off in the WordPress dashboard, find WPForms on the left-hand menu and click Add New to be taken into the form builder. WPForms has over 2,000 templates you can use to get up and running quickly, so you can choose one to get started, use WPForms AI to write a prompt and have the AI create a form for you, or you can create one completely from scratch. For our tutorial, let's choose the simple contact form template and we'll go from there. Once inside the form builder, look for the file upload field on the left side under the fancy field section. Then click and drag it wherever you want onto your form. Then click on the file upload field to open up its settings. You can update the form's label and add a description, such as instructions you want a customer to know or follow before they upload a file using the field. The following fields let you customize the upload field even further. Allowed file extensions will allow you to restrict the file types that can be uploaded to your contact form. So for example, if you only wanted to allow file types such as PDFs, Word documents, or text files, you would write the file extensions here, each separated by a comma. If you don't write anything in this field, then any field type will be allowed. The max file size field lets you specify the maximum file size you'll allow users to upload in megabytes. If you leave this field blank, WPForms will default to the maximum file size that's allowed by your web host, which you can find by hovering over the tooltip above the field. In my particular case, this is the maximum size a file can be uploaded to my form, even if I write a number higher than this in the field. If you need to increase this limit, then you'll need to reach out to your web host to do so. The Max File Uploads field lets you specify how many files a user can upload to your form at one time. This will only apply if you've chosen the modern style for the file upload field. Finally, you can click on the Required toggle to make the file upload field a required field, so users won't be able to submit the form until they've attached a file. If you click on the Advanced tab at the top, you'll find some additional settings for the field. The Style dropdown allows you to switch between two different styles for the file upload field: Modern and Classic. Modern allows users to drag and drop files into the field and also allows them to upload multiple files at once if you allow it. Classic style features the usual Choose File button, where you can manually search for and upload a file into the field. With this particular style, users can only upload one file. You'll also see a few toggles you can enable. Store File in WordPress Media Library allows you to save files uploaded to this field in your site's WordPress Media Library. Enable File Access Restrictions allows you to restrict access to any files that users upload. When this feature is enabled, you can specify which user roles will have access to uploaded files, and even specify which specific users within those roles will have access. You can also enable password protection, so that whoever has access to these files must also use a password for added security. Next up, let's head over to the Settings tab on the left-hand side and click on Notifications. If you scroll down to the Advanced section, you'll see a setting called Enable File Upload Attachments. When you get an email notification from your file upload contact form, uploaded files normally are not included as attachments. Instead, the email will contain a link to the file. The reason for this is if a file is too large, it may affect email deliverability. But if you want the file itself to be included in the email as an attachment, you can click on the toggle to do so. You'll then see a drop-down called File Upload Fields, where you can select the file upload field you'd like to pull the attachment from. Keep in mind that if you enable this setting, you won't be able to use the File Access Restrictions feature we went over a few moments ago. If you have multiple file upload fields in your form, you can select them all in this drop-down, or just select specific ones. When you're done, save your settings. When a file is submitted through this form, you can go to the Entries page, view this specific entry, and find the File Upload field to find a link to the specific file. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create an easy-to-use but powerful file upload form for your WordPress site. If you have any questions or concerns, Please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.